fixture.
Yes, a lift is exclusive. You'll come.
Yeah, these are.
The gated lift.
Lift. Yes. Yeah, I want to M for some reason. Let's see what the lifts are at! Alright everyone, this is a retake of the lifts in the Waitohi Johnsonville Community Hub. The lifts have kind of changed since last time because, well, look at this. Here's the lift. Still nice good condition. Let's go to 1. Here's one thing that's changed. Whenever I used to be lower ground, grounded 1, now it's lower ground, upper ground, and 1. Which actually makes a lot more sense, come to think about it. Especially 1,275 kgs or 17 persons. Heavily used lift. Let's just go to lower ground. Storm 2019. We have lower ground. And and that's it. Just so security that I wasn't caught. There we have yeah, nice Schindler fish for 100 and the other lift is actually in the light version this time.
You're going to go this way.
Interesting. Ooh, don't push any push button. It's like, sadly it's not really Schindler M series efficiency. Same as the other one, also now changed to upper ground. Yeah, I swear to God when this only was lower ground, ground 1, which doesn't really make sense. Nice atrium. Let's go down to lower ground again. We got lower ground.